Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Summerset Power Burner, a game changer for your outdoor kitchen setup. If your standard side burner just isn't cutting it with its heat output, this powerhouse is here to save the day. Built to last, with premium materials. The Summerset Power Burner is constructed entirely from 304-grade stainless steel, ensuring maximum durability and longevity. This high-quality material is resistant to rust and corrosion, making it perfect for outdoor use. Stylish and practical design. One of the standout features of this power burner is its sleek design. It comes with exterior LEDs that not only look great, but also make it easy to operate in low-light conditions. The easy-to-clean drip tray simplifies maintenance, while the heavy-duty 9mm cooking grate provides a robust surface for all your cooking needs. Unmatched heat. Output rated for up to 60,000 BTUs, the Summerset Power Burner is capable of bringing large pots to a rolling boil in no time. Whether you're preparing a hearty pot of gumbo, boiling seafood, or cooking up a storm for a large gathering, this burner has got you covered. Versatile cooking options. The dual-ring cast stainless steel burner can be operated independently, giving you precise control over your cooking. Use the inner ring for simmering sauces or delicate dishes, and crank up the heat with the outer ring for more intense cooking tasks. Added convenience and protection. This powerful unit also comes with a stainless steel lid, which protects the burner when it's not in use. This not only extends the life of the burner, but also keeps it clean and ready for your next culinary adventure. Perfect addition to your outdoor kitchen. The Summerset Power Burner is the perfect addition to any outdoor kitchen, providing the power and performance needed for serious outdoor cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips on outdoor kitchen appliances. You may also visit outdoorkitchenoutlet.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!